Hey, thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Wally. You are now tuned into Playboy Hustlers TV. Yeah.
This the king of melodies beat.
Yeah, look, man, I got some more Diana over here. Yeah, you know Diana Ankudinova. She official, you hear me? This one right here is called Flying on Wings of Wind. Hey, you already know she's the flyest of them all right now, you know what I mean? Yeah, or should I say one of the, because, you know, can't forget about my homie AJ. Alright, now, let me go ahead and stop playing with y'all and go ahead and press play. Another thing now, for those who come into my channel, I do pause here and there, so if you want to see the full video, the link will be in the description, alright? Yeah. Yo, she got that official opera dark tone, you understand what I'm saying? Like, oh, she just, like, you know, when it comes to music, you could feel it, you could touch it, you could taste it, you understand me? Yo, that voice is tremendous, I'm telling you. Her voice is unique. Yeah, they go that signature move of hers. You hear this soulfulness coming out right here? Yeah. Yeah, man, she bodied that right there. Word, smooth criminal, you hear me? See how she did that? How she just changed from high to low like that? Yeah. Yeah, this was definitely a good watch right here. I know y'all can agree with me, you hear me? You know Diana Ankudinova, she the truth, you hear me? She always comes and deliver. She never stands us down, right? If you agree with me, leave it in the comments. Tell me your thoughts, what you like about this song right here. Yeah, I think she executed this correctly, if you ask me, you hear me? Yeah. Alright now, if you like what you saw, don't forget, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. Also, if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and click subscribe, alright? I'm waiting on that, alright? Yeah, so I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, hit that notification bell. Love.